So today we're gonna discuss about the life insurance. So what is life insurance basically? A life insurance policy is a contract with an insurance company in exchange for regular premiums you pay over time. Life insurance pays out after your death to the people you choose as beneficiaries. Usually it could be your children, your spouse, or other family members. So, life insurance is important safety net if anyone depends on you financially. Now, of course, if anyone depends upon you financially, so what do you think? Of course, it will be your family, your children, your spouse. These are the members that gonna spend on you financially. So, a life insurance payout can be used for debts such as mortgage to replace your income or provide funds for college tuition. So, do you need a life insurance policy? Of course, I think so. Every person needs a life insurance policy because, in general, people need life insurance because if the debt would place, so the financial burden over their family could be replaced by the life insurance. So that's why life insurance, I think so, is a needed part for every person or the family. The Now there are the types of life insurance. So there are two types of life insurance, term and permanent. Now, what is a term life insurance? Term life insurance covers a limited time period such as 10, 20, or 30 years and doesn't build cash value. If you die within the term, your beneficiary receive the payout. When your term life insurance expires, you can buy a new policy or releases your options. And on the contrary to term life insurance, the permanent life insurance is permanent life insurance costs more than term but offers additional features like cash value that you can borrow against, which grows over time. Whole life is the best known a form of permanent life insurance. Other types includes universal, variable, and variable universal. So that is what permanent life insurance is. So I would prefer you to go for the permanent life insurance. So, which type of life insurance is right for you? So, term life insurance costs less than permanent insurance, and you can choose a term that matches the years when people depend on you financially. By the time the term ends, you may no longer need life insurance. Your house will be paid down, your kids will be grown, and you'll have some money in the bank. Term is sufficient for most families, and on the contrary to the term, whole life insurance and the other forms of permanent coverage can be useful if you want to provide money to your heirs regardless of when you die. A permanent life insurance can also be useful if you want to spend your retirement savings but still leave an inheritance of money for final expenses such as funeral costs. So average life insurance, the cost of life insurance, it depends on many factors, including your age, your health, and how long the policy will last. Here's a look at average annual life insurance rates for healthy men and women at different ages for like $5 lakh, $500,000 of coverage. So, how much life insurance do you need? If you're in a question and if you're in a doubt, you're dubious about it, which life insurance do you need and how much life insurance do you need? Do you need the permanent life insurance? Do you need the term life insurance? Or do you need the timely paid life insurance? So, here's the answer. The amount of coverage you need depends on how much money you want your beneficiaries to receive. 10 times your annual income is common estimate, but rules like this is not universal and may not reflect your specific situation. Take into account your current finances and future obligations such as income, debts, and daily expenses when deciding how much life insurance you need. So first of all, we have to like specifically take a look on your account, on your finances, on your future obligations, what are your incomes, your debts, and your daily expenses. You're gonna sort out that thing, you're gonna list out that thing, and then you're gonna see which life insurance do you need and how much life insurance do you need in your life. So how to buy a life insurance policy? In this, life insurance isn't purchase you make often, so you may not know where to start and how to get insurance quotes. Here's how to get coverage you need. Determine how much life insurance you need. Consider your family needs and priorities when figuring out the amount of life insurance to purchase. Do you have debts to pay? Will your family have replaced your income to meet everyday like living expenses? Or do you want to fund college education for your children? You have to think about it, and then although you may have life insurance through your job, it's generally a good idea to have your own policy in addition to the life insurance provided by your employer. The policy through your employer likely isn't enough to meet your family's financial needs. The typical ends if you leave the job. So the debt and income replacement calculators can help you decide how much life insurance you need before you get quotes. Now, evaluate life insurance companies. Life insurance is a long term purchase, so if you want a company that can pay claims many years in the future, the biggest life insurance company have a long track records, but some smaller insurers are solid contenders as well. Check out insurers' financial strength through rating agencies such as AEM, a best of Standard and Poor's, or NerdWallet recommends avoiding insurers with an AM's best rating of B or lower if possible. NerdWallet's like ranking of the best insurance companies also gives points to the companies to have fewer complaints to state regulators. Not all companies sell the same types of policies, remember, but somehow focus on the specific product. So first go and check out the list of which evaluate the insurance companies do you need, and then go for the further qualifications. So gather info you need. You can just go and apply for the term policy and see the info you need for the permanent policy or the term policy or the limited like life insurance. You can just go and see the information and choose the beneficiaries for the life insurance medical exam, so you can be able to like pay off of your debts and mortgage, or like if you pass away, so the financial burdens over your families could be paid off through your uh, beneficiaries or through your life insurance. So compare life insurance quote. The best way to save on life insurance is to compare all your options to find the best rate for you. To be sure to compare life insurance quotes from several companies, prices can like vary widely depending on the type of coverage you choose and personal factors such as your age, your gender, and the health. So the expert tip, if you can apply you're healthy, when you're healthy, like life insurance companies use life expectancies as the basic as the basis for determining rates. Anything that could shorten your life expectancy could lead to a higher price. So it's smarter to buy a life insurance policy as early as possible when you are young, and healthy. If you wait, your life insurance quotes will increase solely because of your age. If new health problem arise, your rates could go even more up. So you can still get a life insurance if you have a medical condition. Insurance company very in how they view per existing condition, and sometimes of life insurance don't require a medical exam, so you just go and check out the life insurance, and you can just check out the FAQs, and you can check out their information they gather and how you get your life, and you can life secured, and like after you your family would get out the maximum uh, beneficiaries through your income, and they can and the burdens of your family such like mortgage, tuition fees, medicals, and their daily expenses could be paid off through your life insurance. So this is what life insurance is all about. You can just go and select the company which provides you the best life insurance, and you can go and you can just go and compare your life insurance rate easily and get the instant life insurance for your family. I hope this gonna help out.